Welcome to a special brew-themed episode of SNEED-CAST Industry Update. With Brew Expo kicking off on April 21st, we thought that now would be the best time to bring you all the latest brewing updates in the industry. I'm your host Alexa, and today we'll be discussing topics ranging from Maui Brewing Company scaling its operations by embracing innovation, to Anheuser-Busch and Teamsters reaching a labor agreement, to Anheuser-Busch becoming the first to adopt U.S. farm certification, to the Samuel Adams Brewing Company coming under new leadership, and finally, Houston's very own St. Arnold Brewery founder getting ready to step up as ground marshal in Houston's Art Car Parade. So, starting off, Maui Brewing Company, also known as MBC, renowned as Hawaii's largest craft brewery, has embarked on an ambitious journey to scale its operations and embrace innovation amidst the evolving beverage industry landscape. The planned expansion sees MBC aiming to significantly increase its production capacity from 70,000 barrels to an impressive 120,000 per year. With all canned beverages being meticulously produced in Key, Hawaii, this ambitious expansion reflects MBC's commitment to growth and excellence in the craft brewing industry. Adapting to the challenges posed by COVID-19, MBC pivoted from keg to canned beverage sales, a strategic move that not only ensured business continuity, but also sparked innovation within the company. This shift led to the adoption of cartons for Multipack, showcasing MBC's adaptability during uncertain times and its dedication to meeting market demands. The introduction of innovative packaging solutions further underscores MBC's commitment to innovation. By adopting a sophisticated cartoner from West Rock, MBC could introduce variety packs, winning the hearts of island visitors and reflecting a key focus on market demand and customer satisfaction. To enhance operational efficiency, MBC undertook an efficient production line upgrade. With the assistance of A&E Conveyor, the upgrade was meticulously planned and executed in 3 phases over a year, minimizing downtime. This strategic approach emphasizes MBC's commitment to continuous improvement and efficiency. Incorporating cutting-edge technology, MBC introduced a new 44-valve can filler from Krones, boosting packaging speed by 15% and accommodating various can sizes. This move exemplifies MBC's forward-thinking approach and dedication to scaling production in alignment with future needs. Brent Gard from MBC emphasized, "Our goal was to incorporate a replacement line with as little downtime as possible, highlighting the brewery's proactive strategy in enhancing operational efficiency without compromising on productivity." MBC's focus on sustainability and automation is evident in its responsible packaging practices and the automation of the sorting and packaging processes for its mix packs. This reflects the company's commitment to sustainability and leveraging technological advancements. By investing in training and independence for its maintenance and operations team, MBC demonstrates dedication to employee development and self-sufficiency, reducing reliance on external technicians. Future-ready installations, such as the addition of a CSW lid feeder and a FieldTech inspection system, stands as testimony to MBC's strategy to not only improve product quality, but also operational efficiency, preparing MBC for the future of craft brewing. And moving on. In a pivotal moment for the brewing industry, Anheuser-Busch, the manufacturer behind the iconic Budweiser brand, successfully navigated a potential crisis by finalizing a labor agreement with the Teamsters union. This resolution came at a critical juncture as the union had threatened a strike at Anheuser-Busch's 12 U.S. plants, potentially marking the company's first such disruption since 1976. The backdrop of this negotiation reflects wider challenges within the U.S. beer market, including shifting consumer preferences and the need for companies to adapt rapidly to maintain market share and worker satisfaction. The newly reached agreement introduced significant improvements for Anheuser-Busch's employees represented by the Teamster Union, including 5,000 workers involved in brewing, packaging, and maintaining the company's revered Clydesdale horses. Enhancements outlined in the contract encompass wage increases, additional vacation days, and boosted pension contributions. These modifications come as a result of rigorous negotiations against the backdrop of potential industrial action. Anheuser-Busch faced the dual challenge of negotiating a contract under the looming threat of a strike and addressing the broader issue of declining beer sales in the U.S. market. The situation was further complicated by public relations challenges involving their flagship brand Bud Light. The company's approach to resolving these issues involved direct negotiation with the union to avoid a strike and initiatives aimed at reconnecting with the consumers and revitalizing brand perception amidst evolving consumer tastes. The successful negotiation of the labor contract not only averted a potentially costly strike, but also reinforced Anheuser-Busch's commitment to its workforce, highlighting the importance of job security and employee welfare in the company's ethos. The agreement positions Anheuser-Busch for long-term success, allowing it to focus on navigating the shifting landscapes of consumer preferences and increasing competition within the alcohol industry. Looking ahead, Anheuser-Busch is well placed to address future challenges, leveraging its strong brand portfolio and renewed focus on operational resilience and market responsiveness. Moving on, in a significant move toward supporting domestic agriculture and strengthening the connection between consumers and the source of their food and beverages, Anheuser-Busch has taken a pioneering step by adopting the U.S. Farm Certification for several of its leading beer brands. This initiative marks the company's commitment to promoting products that contain at least 95% of their agricultural ingredients sourced from American farms, thereby supporting U.S. agriculture and laying the groundwork for an industry-wide acknowledgement of the importance of locally sourced ingredients. This commitment comes at a time when the agricultural sector faces numerous challenges, including land transition and threats to farmland. Anheuser-Busch, in collaboration with American Farmland Trust, also known as AFT, has announced the adoption of the U.S. Farm Certification and Packaging Seal, making it the first in the industry to do so. This certification will feature on labels of Anheuser-Busch's industry-leading beer brands such as Busch Light, Budweiser, Bud Light, and Michelob Ultra, starting this May. The U.S. Farm Certification is designed to empower consumers to make informed decisions that directly benefit American farmers and support the sustainability and vibrancy of the U.S. agricultural sector. The U.S. farming industry is currently navigating through a critical phase, with over 30% of the nation's agricultural lands expected to change hands in the next 15 years due to the aging farming population. Furthermore, the loss of farmland poses a significant threat to the nation's food system. The U.S. Farm Certification Initiative aims to mitigate these challenges by providing direct support to farmers, facilitating access to essential resources, and offering innovative strategies for land transition to ensure the sustainability of American agriculture. The introduction of the U.S. Farm Certification by Anheuser-Busch, in partnership with AFT, is set to have a profound impact on promoting sustainable sourcing practices within the consumer packaged goods industry, also known as the CPG. By leading this initiative, Anheuser-Busch not only solidifies its role as a supporter of American agriculture, but also encourages other companies to follow suit. This concerted industry effort aims to bolster the American agricultural sector, provide vital support to farmers, and ensure the conservation and productive use of U.S. farmlands for future generations. The adoption of the U.S. Farm Certification by Anheuser-Busch represents a pivotal step towards supporting domestic agriculture and enhancing the bond between consumers and the origins of their food and beverages. This initiative, coupled with the collaborative effort between AFT and Anheuser-Busch, underscores the brewing giant's long-standing commitment to sourcing high-quality ingredients from American farms. As the program gains traction and more companies join the movement, the impact on U.S. agriculture could be substantial, securing the future of the nation's food systems and promoting the well-being of American farmers. In a major announcement, the Boston Beer Company revealed significant leadership changes set to solidify its future in a sector that's enduring rapid evolution. The transition not only marks the end of an era under Dave Burwick's impactful leadership, but also heralds a new chapter with Michael Spillane at the helm of Samuel Adams Brewery. This shift in leadership comes at a time when the company has surpassed key revenue milestones, positioning itself strongly within an increasingly competitive beverage landscape. Effective as of April 1st of 2024, Dave Burwick will retire from his role as President, Chief Executive Officer, and member of the Board of Directors at the Boston Beer Company. Michael Spillane, a seasoned executive with a rich background in consumer goods and long-standing member of the Boston Beer Board, is set to succeed Burwick. Spillane's leadership is anticipated not only to maintain the legacy left by Burwick, but also to propel the company into new growth territories. During Burwick's tenure, the Boston Beer Company revenue saw a significant leap from $850 million to more than $2 billion, alongside the creation and growth of billion-dollar brands such as Twisted Tea and Truly. Jim Koch, founder and brewer, praised Burwick's strategic vision and the conducive leadership environment he fostered, noting, "His steady leadership, talent, work ethic, values, guidance, and motivation have been unwavering." With an average annual stock return of 12%, highlighting a strong performance within the U.S. beer industry, Burwick's strategic direction has significantly bolstered Boston's beer's position in the market. Michael Spillane brings to his new role extensive experience from senior positions at Nike Incorporated, as well as leadership roles at Umbro and Converse. His familiarity with Boston Beer's culture and strategic direction, having served on its board since 2016, is expected to smooth the transition. Spillane expressed both gratitude for Berwick's partnership and enthusiasm for the opportunity ahead, stating, "After nearly 8 years on Boston Beer Board, and as a native of the Boston area, I'm thrilled for the opportunity to help advance Boston Beer's long-term goals as we enter a new growth phase." The leadership transition at the Boston Beer Company signifies more than a change of guard. It underscores a strategic pivot towards sustaining growth, innovation, and leadership in a dynamic industry. With Michael Spillane at the helm, the company is poised to leverage his consumer goods acumen and deep understanding of the Boston Beer ethos to spearhead new initiatives, foster innovation, and continue nurturing the culture of excellence that has defined Boston Beer for over 4 decades. And we've made it to our last story. Entering in its 3rd decade of participation at Houston's iconic Art Car Parade, St. Arnold Brewing Company, spearheaded by its founder Brock Wagner, has become a staple of the city's art scene. The company's engagement with the parade not only celebrates Houston's vibrant artistic culture, but also underscores St. Arnold's commitment to community involvement and creativity. As Wagner prepares for his Grand Marshal role in this year's parade, it's a testament to the brewery's enduring relationship with this unique event and the city at large. This year marks a significant milestone for both St. Arnold and the Art Car Parade, with the brewery celebrating its 30th anniversary. In a delightful twist, Wagner will transition from parade participant to Grand Marshal, embodying the spirit and innovative drive that St. Arnold brings to both its craft beer and its contributions to the art car community. Over the years, St. Arnold has showcased several art cars, including a tie-dye painted 1957 Bentley and a meticulously designed 1959 Cadillac convertible, highlighting the brewery's dedication to creativity and craftsmanship. One of the challenges faced by St. Arnold in this unique sphere was designing art cars that resonated with both the brewery's brand and the parade's ethos. The solution came through collaboration with local artists and an emphasis on creativity, culminating in art cars that visually represent the brewing process. This approach allowed St. Arnold to seamlessly blend its identity with the parade's artistic narrative, creating memorable experiences for parade goers and reinforcing the brewery's connection to Houston's art scene. St. Arnold's involvement in the Art Car Parade has significantly bolstered its standing within Houston's community, exemplifying how businesses can engage with local culture in meaningful ways. By participating in the parade, St. Arnold has not only showcased its artistic prowess, but has also deepened its connections within the city and its residents, demonstrating the impact a company can have beyond its commercial interests. This engagement underscores the importance of community and creativity in fostering a vibrant local culture. St. Arnold's Brewing Company approach to the Art Car Parade, particularly with Brock Wagner assuming the role of Grand Marshal, illustrates the brewery's commitment to innovation, community, and the arts. Looking forward, this involvement promises to continue enriching Houston's cultural landscape, inspiring both the brewery and city to new heights of creativity and collaboration. Check out our sponsor for this SNEED-CAST industry update, the SNEED-Jet Infinity Inkjet Coating Printer. Need a half-inch thermal inkjet coater for marking beer cans or glasses? The Infinity printer is your perfect choice. When paired with our SIX30 ink, you can enjoy an extended 10mm print distance for those tricky-to-reach spots. The Infinity printer comes with advanced networking capabilities, allowing wireless monitoring and control of multiple printers from one CPU, laptop, or smart device in your control room. You can print on various materials like glass, metal, flexible packaging, boxes, and glossy boxes with high resolutions of up to 600 dpi. Like always, stay tuned for our next episode of SNEED-CAST Industry Update, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below to stay up to date with all of our great content. Also, let us know what topics you'd like to see us talk about here on the show. We look forward to hearing from you all. Bye, everyone.